Hey everyone! Welcome back to our zoo adventure. Today is all about making a splash. Literally. First up, we saw the incredible elephants, and whoa, one of them filled its tank and just let it go. We were completely soaked, but it was so worth it. Then, we went to see the graceful giraffes. As one shook its head, water flew absolutely everywhere, catching everyone by surprise. It was hilarious. Stick around for part 2 to see what happens next. Alright, welcome to part 2 of our Water Splash Zoo Day. After drying off a little, we found the cheeky monkeys. They were having the best time, jumping and splashing in every single puddle they could find. Just when we thought it couldn't get any funnier, we saw the zebras. One of them actually slid across the wet floor. We were laughing so hard. You won't believe what's coming in part 3. Welcome to the grand finale of our water-filled day. For our last stop, we visited the penguin enclosure, and it was a full-on splash dance party. They were waddling, slipping, and sliding, creating their own little water ballet. It was the perfect way to end our amazing day this week. What a wild day. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.